In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your microphone is picking up your desktop audio. So if your microphone is also recording your desktop sounds, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window here. Make sure View By is set to large icons and then click on Sound. Now go and click on the Playback tab and go and locate your speakers. Once you have your speakers selected, click on Properties. Now click on Advanced and make sure Enable Audio Enhancements is unchecked like this, and then go and press Apply and OK. Now click on the Recording tab and you should be able to see your microphone. Go and click on this and click Properties. Click on Listen and make sure Listen to this device is unchecked like you see here, and then go and press Apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, you can try and disable your desktop audio. So go and right click on your volume icon and select Open Volume Mixer. You can then scroll down to Apps, and from here you'll see all of your different desktop audio. So if your microphone is picking up audio from a particular application, you can go and click on the mute button next to that app, and once it's muted, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Now, if it's still not working and you're having issues with a specific app such as Discord and your desktop audio's playing from your mic in Discord, then what you can do is just go and open up the Discord application, click on User Settings in the bottom left-hand side, scroll down and click on Voice and Video. Click on the Voice tab, click on the drop-down arrow next to Input Device and go and select your microphone. You then need to go and select Output Device, and this is where you need to select your speakers or headphones. You could then scroll down to Input Sensitivity and make sure this is toggled to on. Scroll down to Noise Suppression and change this to Standard. You can then scroll down again to Bypass System Audio Input Processing and make sure this is checked to on like you see here. Once you've followed all of these steps, that should stop your microphone from picking up desktop audio. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.